Hello everyone. We are working with StandardAero and have been tasked with automatically timing the cleaning process of aircraft engine components.
The cleaning process involves dropping a basket full of parts into the chemical cleaning tank for a set period of time. This is currently timed manually by setting a timer on a phone or stopwatch. This sometimes leads to situations where technicians forget to start or stop their timer during the cleaning process, resulting in insufficient cleaning or worse, chemical damage to the components.
Our solution to this problem is automating the process by using a timing system that is triggered by a rotary encoder, which detects the vertical movement of the basket. The encoder attaches to the chain of the hoist supporting the cleaning basket, so as the basket is lifted and dropped, the displacement changes.
Once the basket is dropped into the cleaning tank, the timer starts. At some point during the cleaning process, technicians are required to scrub the parts. The timer will pause during this process. At the end of the cleaning process, the timer will alert staff that the process is over through a buzzer. The basket is lifted and the time is automatically reset.